Gas fireplaces use natural gas or propane to produce real flames, providing a warm and inviting ambience. Electric fireplaces use electricity to power LED lights that mimic the look of flames, offering ambience without real flames. Gas fireplaces have high heat output, ideal for significant room warming. Electric fireplaces are designed for supplemental heating, adding warmth without venting. Gas fireplaces require professional installation due to gas lines and ventilation. Electric fireplaces are easy to install, needing only a power outlet. Gas fireplaces demand regular maintenance, such as cleaning the glass front and checking gas connections for safety. Electric fireplaces require minimal maintenance, with no need to clean up ashes or soot. In summary, gas fireplaces offer a traditional, cozy experience with significant heat output, while electric fireplaces provide convenience, easy installation, and low maintenance. Both options can transform your living space into a comfortable oasis. Choose your hearth wisely. Visit the NorCal Fire and Grill website to view our collection of fireplaces.